I definitely tuned in to a grandmother, but then right away a grandfather came in.
Uh-huh.
And then I remembered, I was like, oh right, she just lost a grandmother. Usually it's very soon, like usually they can't come through that fast. But so I don't know which set of grandparents is, but like the grandfather's right there.
That would make sense. And actually, they've been gone for a while, but I was very close with them.
That so it's a different, it's not the grandmother that
Different set.
okay,
Yep.
they're very like they came together. They
That
wouldn't be
checks out.
okay, yeah. So like they were definitely there. They're just like, we're here.
hmm
Um, and then what was the other thing? Oh yeah, Joan of Arc.
Oh,
Some connection with Joan
really
of Arc.
interesting.
Like your energy is very Joan of Arc energy. I feel like your grandparents want to come in now. Uh,
Yeah.
was it those grandparents that kind of the way you know how you the way I'm seeing them a little bit is kind of like the that famous uh painting.
American Gothic.
Yes, that's what I'm seeing.
They were farmers. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the painting that I'm seeing. Yeah, that's what I'm
Yep.
seeing. Because they're together and they're like they were like inseparable. Like it's like there always comes like a yeah, I'm seeing them as like yeah, that painting. And their energy is like plain but like strong and very simple but
hmm
wise.
Yeah.
Like they don't make them like that anymore.
No, not at all.
Yeah, they don't make them like that anymore at all. There's a little bit of I feel a little bit of melancholy around them though. There's like a little bit of melancholy
hmm
of now were they your mother's parents?
Father.
Did your mother suffer with depression or anything? Or did your mother suffer with anything like that or
Postpartum,
postpartum?
but my dad does.
Your dad suffers with depression.
And anxiety.
So I don't know. I'm feeling this thing about your mother though. Some like anguish with your mother. I don't know.
I mean, my parents are currently divorcing, so they might be feeling for her.
Okay. Yeah, because it's like I feel like they're just like, whew, just seeing your mother like, oof. Because I think they were fond of her, or like yeah, they were fond of. I don't know about. It feels like they didn't really understand your father, or
That feels
like
right.
he was.
Didn't quite know what to do with him.
Yeah, like they didn't like he. Yeah, but it's like, but they're saying like you are a perfect balance of the two, because it's like you have kind of like the heart and soul of your mom in a sense, but kind of like the eccentricity of your dad.
That, yep,
So
that
it's
makes
like,
sense.
yeah, so it's like it's like, so like you're like the healthy version of both of them together.
We can only hope, right?
No, they're like very impressed by you. Like the
Oh,
feeling
that
is
makes me
like
happy.
it's like they just feel they feel very I want to say almost intimidated, although it would really be intimidated, but like, well, so this is interesting. And I have no way, there's like some things that come through that I have no way to like validate
Place.
necessarily, or like, but right before, like, as we were like going on, what it felt like to me, and this has never happened in any of the readings that I did, it felt like there was a whole bunch of people that were like coming in and taking seats to like watch this reading.
Yeah.
Like a lot of
Wow.
people. And I was like, who are all these people? And like, why are they here? Like, because I couldn't tell, like, I don't know if it felt like a lot of them were here for you because I think you're a very important person, like that a lot of people know. Um, so I think it's like a big deal that you're doing this. And I think it's also, this happened to me the other day with a reading, like, because on the other side, people, it's just like here. Like some people believe, some people don't. They don't know how to do it, or they do know how to do it. People are at different levels of consciousness. Like,
Yeah.
so what it felt like also to me, I don't know, I'm smiling. I think I'm tapping into something here. Like people are just like they're coming to like watch a show. Like they're
Yeah.
trying like they're just coming to like, ooh, let's see what is this? Like, how does this work?
Yeah.
So it's an interesting thing. I don't know. That's like, I feel like that's what they were just showing me is like, yeah, there's a lot of people here to see you and to like
Oh.
learn and whatever. So like they're like, we're just like these humble farmers. Like you're like this, like, you know, throughout history, this like major figure or major uh like a key player in major turns of events in
Hmm.
the history, specifically a lot with this country. Like you
Oh,
feel very, very connected to this country, although obviously the Joan of Arc thing. Well, the Joan of Arc thing, ooh, um, I've never felt Joan of Arc. I think actually Joan of Arc is one of your guides.
really?
Do you relate to her? Have you ever connected with like her energy or anything? Or
Only like I've always been like inspired by her story, but like when you said it, I was like, oh, like it it's one of the like it's interesting. Like I randomly like bought a necklace one time and like it had Joan of Arc on it, but like I didn't know it had Joan of Arc on it. And
wow.
like I've worn it for so long, like I've had it for a long time. Like it's very, very interesting. Like she finds her way.
She finds her way. Like I feel like, and again, this is stuff I have no way of proving except that you have a Joan of Arc. Like I don't know anybody else that wears a Joan of Arc necklace. Like, yeah,
Right.
I
Right.
really don't. Like that's not like a normal thing.
Mm-mm.
I feel like her energy, because sometimes when it comes up, sometimes when I get famous people, it's like, oh, you're like them. Like you have a typical, like it's like a tip. But I think with Joan of Arc, oh, I get a goosebumps now. Like I think she's one of your guys. Like I think like you call like
Wow.
she's one of your guys. Yeah, like she's in. You got to work with her.
Yeah.
She'll help you. Yeah. Yeah. So like your grandparents are like, see, like, they're like, we're just farmers.
They're like, I
They're
don't
like
know.
Joan of Arc.